incredibly disappointed and very concerned.
This is the only COVID-19 testing clinic in the Tri-Cities, and it's closing its doors next month due to staff burnout and limited resources.
If there is no other solution, they're going to be left having to go to either Maple Ridge, all the way to South Surrey or to Burnaby to get a test.
On Friday morning, mayors in the Tri-Cities region were worried about where residents would go to get tested after the only COVID-19 testing clinic in the Tri-Cities announced it would be closing on October 2nd.
Clearly, this is an issue that needs the urgent attention of Fraser Health.
Doctors at the clinic along Lougheed Highway say they opened in June with the understanding that a new high-capacity public COVID-19 testing site would open in several weeks. But 4 months later, that still didn't happen.
We have 250,000 people that call the Tri-Cities home. And the idea that they would have to go to Maple Ridge or South Surrey or Burnaby to get a COVID test is just ridiculous.
Our hope is that there won't be a large gap in the testing capacity for the Tri-Cities.
In a letter, 2 doctors at the Tri-Cities clinic wrote, "The lack of a testing site in the New Westminster and Tri-Cities area leaves a significant population without a convenient and accessible COVID-19 testing site." They urged the public to reach out to local and provincial leaders to ask for a publicly run testing site.
I have written and called the CEO of Fraser Health and asked that as a priority item, they, as soon as possible, establish a COVID-19 assessment clinic in the Tri-Cities.
We know that this is unprecedented times, and it's really hard to envision all of these little things coming together. We just want it to happen quickly.
And by Friday afternoon, that request was granted. Fraser Health announced a new test site will open on October 5th in TransLink's Coquitlam Central Park and Ride lot.
We can do as many as 800 tests a day. It's probably more than tripling or quadrupling the current testing capacity. So it's a significant increase to current testing.
Fraser Health says they already had plans underway to open a new test center in the Tri-Cities.
We have been working on these plans for quite a long time. So we are well prepared, and we want to ensure that we're meeting the needs of the community.
The new site will have drive-through lanes and walk-in options. In Port Coquitlam, Miranda Fatour, City News.